I'm told that you all hate seeing me happy. This isn't fake happiness. This is pure joy. I don't know what to tell you. If you only knew how much joy I actually have in my heart that you didn't remove. I find joy. I say, you know what? I have to admit it. I need help. I need intervention. I'm addicted to depressor Libra. Yep. I get this high when we put bad guys away. Criminals. Oh my God. I need help. Group 5. I need an intervention. I'm addicted to putting criminals away. Perhaps we'll get together once we wrap this thing up. And maybe sit me down and let me know. I have a problem with putting bad people behind bars where they belong so they don't hurt people anymore. What do you think? I need a counselor. Somebody. Anyway, good night. Sleep tight. First Overwatch you see tonight. Wish you may, wish you might. Wish you knew how much we see you all tonight as well. We love you. We love exposing the darkness with light. Thank you. I feel like Shander. Anyway, bye bye, baby.